Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 23. The Mango Grove. On the 12th of month Jafri of the year Hirasat 1224, from the birth of Muhammad on Monday, early in the morning I had a dream. It seemed to me as if the servant of God Almighty, riding an elephant, went into a mango grove and noticed a large number of clusters of mangoes on the trees. Each mango a cubit in length was so big in size. Some of the mangoes were round and these were as large as cocoa nuts. I was very pleased to see these mangoes, and plucking many of them from the trees, I put them in front of me in the canopied litter of the elephant. I was still having a ride in the grove when I woke up. End of Dream 23.